So let's go ahead and talk about the last core tenet of success when it comes down to Redbubble. And that last core tenet is social media marketing, social media promotion. Now, there are different social medias where you can choose to market your product, and there are different ways that you can. But really what social media marketing is I call this a cheat code to your Redbubble success. The reason why I say that is because if you look at the people who are successful on Redbubble, okay, not all of them started making sales simply through the search. And when I say through the search, I'm meaning either through Google search, Redbubble search, right? There are other people that utilize Instagram, for example. And let's just go ahead and search for Instagram here. And Instagram is pretty crazy here. You can see here I got 11 follows, 36 likes, and a new comment. And what the cool thing about Instagram is that Instagram specifically is a very visual platform. You can create a piece of art or even just an image on Instagram that brings in followers, brings in likes, brings in following. Now, me personally, what I like to do with Instagram is I like to use something called an Instagram automator tool that helps me grow my Instagram account. And thereby, when I grow my Instagram account, I attract following to the products that I'm selling, which helps me gain attention towards those products, which in turn helps me make money, right? And so when I say make money, I mean that traffic is being driven from Instagram, clicking on my link in my bio, which happens to be my Redbubble store that has to be related to whatever I'm selling, right, in this case. So if you ever want to make money on Redbubble without necessarily waiting for a sale, you can command a sale, right, which is, like I said, that last core tenet, utilizing social media by controlling who is seeing your design. And you can control who sees your design by promoting it to the masses. And the way I do this is I think, okay, if I want to sell, for example, a picture or design of a cross, who would be interested in a cross? Well, I could think people of faith, Christians, etc. So what am I going to do? I'm going to create an Instagram around that concept, right? So that's something to be aware of as well, all right? So what we're going to do is we're going to go make a final video to sum up these 4 core tenets or the 4 steps to Redbubble success. And remember, guys, that these steps you can't break away from, you can't alter them, you can't change them. This is for everybody, whether you like it or not. The most important thing when it comes down to Redbubble success, okay? So let's go ahead and get started with that.